Hello guys! We are back for the last part of our computerized accounting tutorial. So for the third part, or the final part, we will be discussing cash payments journal. So a cash payments journal is a special journal to record transaction involving the payment of cash. So strictly cash transactions. So this is somewhat similar to the cash receipts journal as you can see. Pero medyo umiba yung yung format ng ating journal. And yung nature of transaction is also somewhat different kasi compared to the cash receipts, you can see, obviously sa cash payments, puro issued check kasi we need, what do you call this? When we issue payments, kailangan may basis. So, yan yung check. So, parang pang-verify siya. So, when we will be filling out the cash payments journal, first, let's start with the date. We have January 1. And then, first and foremost, we need to make sure na-copy natin yung check number 111, to pay the rent for January. So, we will describe this transaction. Oh, wait. I'll put this down. 111. So, we will describe this transaction as January rent. Remember, descriptions are the nature of the transaction. So, we paid for the rent. So, remember, mag-isip kayo ng what would you put in a journal entry para yung amounts na lang yung ilalagay dito. So, remember, debit, rent expense, we put it under account title kasi hindi available yung available lang or yung given na account title is accounts payable, but that is not what we're going to fill out for this transaction. Rent expense amount is hindi ka pala nalagay, no? Let's say how much is rent ba? 2,000. Issued check number to pay rent of 2,000. So, we credit cash, 2,000. Wala ring, discount ito, so we're not going to put any amount. Remember, we don't have, it's not a requirement to fill out all of the boxes here. Next, issued check number 112 to pay for store equipment purchased. To pay for, let's say, 5,000 pesos worth. 5K worth of equipment purchased. So, we're going to put here store fixtures. Or pwede naman, or pwede purchase equipment. Tapos, account title, store equipment. Kasi it's specifically for a store. Hindi pwedeng equipment lang ilalagay kasi what if, what if office pala yun, na-mix up yung store and yung office na equipment. So, you have to be specific. So, store equipment, debit, 5,000. Then, credit cash, 5,000. Next, issued check number 113 to pay, wala ulit money. Wala ulit amount pala. Let's say, sales tax payable amounted to 500. So, we issued check number 113. And then, yung description natin dito will be tax remittance. Kasi, when you send money to the government, it is called a remittance. So, since it's specified that we will be paying tax here, it is a tax remittance. So, sales tax payable, debit, kasi nabawasan tayo ng payable. Debit, 500. Then, nabawasan rin tayo ng cash, 500. Okay, next. Issued check number 114. 114. To settle 1,000 peso account to World of Sports with 100 peso discount. So World of Sports is a business. Therefore, we will be, or a vendor. So we will be writing, here's a description, yung name ng business. Then, nagkaroon tayo ng decrease in accounts payable. Kasi sabi, settle account. So, we will put the amount, which is 1,000. Next, it is mentioned na mayroon tayong discount of 100 pesos. So, we will put 100 sa purchase discount credit. So, para mag-balance siya, 1,000 minus 100, cash credit is 900. Kasi, may discount tayo ng 100. And lastly, issued check number 115 to settle 4,000 peso account to Active Designs, which is another business. Once again, it is a decrease in our liability account, 4,000. And then we have a 200 peso discount. So we input that. So magkano na lang ang cash na babayaran natin? 4,000 minus 200 is 3,800. So I would just like to add another transaction. Let's say issued check number 116 to settle or pay for I think to settle promissory note to, let's say, ABC company. With magkano yung promissory? Let's give it 6,000. Promissory note to ABC company with 500 peso interest. So this is somewhat similar din sa kanina, sa cash receipts na transaction. So we will write or input check number 116, then the name of the company, ABC company. Then we will not put the 6,000 under accounts payable, rather notes payable. The amount is 6,000. And then we have interest expense na 500. Then we will put the the sum of both 6,500, which is 6,500. Kasi yan ang total na cash na nabawasan sa atin. So that is it for cash payments journal. I hope may nagets kayo. And good luck sa computerized accounting finals. Thank you for listening.